Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the weekly update to Google Chrome that started rolling out yesterday, the 18th, and is still running out today. So if you go to Google Chrome, upper right corner, three are vertical dots, go into Help, and About Google Chrome, you are going to be sent to version 131.0.6778.204.205, depending on Linux, Mac, or Windows. So this fixes 5 high-severity security flaws. 3 of them are within the V8 scripting engine in various forms. One is confusion, one is out-of-bound memory, and one is writing out of bounds. Could be, a flaw discovered by the other flaw. But anyways, this is, of course, a problem that needs to be solved. And to do it, you have to update your Google Chrome browser. This is what keeps you safe. If these security flaws are there, they can be exploited, and your antivirus will do nothing about that. This is why I always say antivirus is rather useless in many cases. So security updates are the number one thing that needs to be done in Windows, in the software you use, and so on. And especially in a browser like Google Chrome, because that's your first line of defense. Of course, that also means that your browser that is Chromium based, like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, Edge, and so on, will also receive this security update within the next hours or days. So do check that out. Make sure that you update your browser to stay safe. And of course, depending on the company who's behind it, the speed of update is not always the same from one to the other. So make sure that you check from time to time. Of course, most browsers do update themselves automatically. So that's the good thing. If you don't do it or check about anything, you will probably still update on its own. So that's good. So that's the weekly security updates that are available for Google Chrome and Chromium browsers, and they have arrived. So do check out if you are up to date, just to make sure that you stay safe when you browse the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.